flap, tail. Oh, I like that already. So, I have to make my legs more chunky. I don't like having chunky legs. Nose scar. I don't like any scars right now. I don't want like any guy that got in a fight. No thanks. Torso. Yeah, okay. Well, this is gonna look really cool, guys. I'm sorry for wasting your time. I'm trying to hurry this up. 4 out of 10 stars. I have already been in the game. Okay, whoopsies. I already been in the game. I looked around, so I just decided to do this. Now, I only just spawned in, like, okay, whatever. I just spawned in. So I am going to... That's cool. What's this? Oh, settings? Starpedia? Oh, that's so cool. You can read about that. Oh, you can teleport to places, too. That is quite cool. Strange. I don't want to change designs. I don't want to go back to editor. Animations. That's cute. Can I run? I want to speed up. Oh, jeez. Oh, so E is speed. How fast can I go? This kitty is so fast. This kitty is so fast, guys. Alright. I'm gonna... That's kind of cool, guys. What is this? C? I'm not gonna remember all these. R. Okay, I'm gonna remember R and Y. But T. Oh, T is cute. U? I don't have any time for it. Oh, stretch? Sorry. I was gonna say, I don't have any time for this, but I can make some arrangements. Okay. Actions? Unsheath claws. So I'm guessing it'll be claws. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. 5 out of 10 stars, guys. 5 out of 10 stars. What's this? Oh, you can teleport? Yes, please. I love one of those mangy cats that like you see like around those. Oh, I'm running up. Whee! Oh, I can turn them on. That's cool. Whee! I like speeding up. Whee! Parkour. Let's see. Okay, bro. Oh, I can do my name. I'm gonna do Shadow. Description. I always do this because why not? How about brave? Strong. I don't know. I'm not good at descriptions. I don't care. Loyal to others. And it's clan, obviously. I'm gonna do all that. Whee! That's cool. Should I join Shadow Clan just because my name's Shadow? I'm gonna do that. I'm Big Strong. Oh wait, what? Does it change whenever you join a group? That's cool. Huh. I like that music. It's fun. Whee! I'm gonna jump and jump and jump. I'm gonna jump forever. Oh. That's cool. Whee! I regret that. Can I come back up? Ugh. I don't get up. Yes. Oh, okay, you can't come back up. What's that? Chevelle. I'll pick that up indeed. That's so cool, guys. Oh, I can shoot it too. Oh, that's good. The animation's awesome. Okay. I like this indeed. Now let's get into some action. I don't know. Which one? I'm pretty sure I remember Thunderclan Heaven and all that. I know. Ooh. Like Aloe. Okay. Let's teleport there. It's a kitty. That's so cute. Oh wait, he's blind. I didn't know that. I no longer like him. Haha. everyone's up there. Just gonna scooch on up. Oh wait, everyone has Oh, twin. Gonna do this. Ah! Sorry, just kidding. Sorry about my weird scream or whatever. I know it sounded wrong, guys. I know. I'm very sorry, guys. Awesome. I have a voice crack. I don't scream like a weird person. I don't care, guys. I'm a weirdo. I know. I'm a weirdo. Whatever, okay? Let's just get past that, guys. I like this game. The weather, that's cool. I thought people had like two things in their name, like sun. So I'm guessing that's some prefixes or whatever it's called. Suffix? I don't know. So maybe shadow claw? I think it's a suffix. I mean, whatever it's called. There. I did it. I'm not a menace to society anymore, guys. No. I didn't read it, but whatever. I'm gonna give this, well, I want StarClan to be in the game. I have read the book, so I want StarClan to be in the game. So I'm gonna give this a big old fat 8 out of 10 for now. Oh my gosh, let's go hunting. That'd be cool. Whee! Oh, it's so cool. It's cool, I can just jump around. Oh, I like the chat. I like to hear what I am. Ooh, here's something else. What is it? Ooh, it's here. Oh, it's real. I don't care about that. Haha. I'm gonna do 10-minute, what's it called? 10-minute reviews for each game that I haven't played. I might play some game. I might do some games that I played before and just do them. Everybody that likes Warrior Cats, tell me if I'm wrong. Like that, it shouldn't be 8 out of 10 for now. If it's gonna stay that way. Okay, so I do remember that is dead. That is very cool. That's cool. Okay. Oopsies. That's very cool. I remember the R button and T because I accidentally pressed T. Oh my god, I wonder what button J does. Okay, so I'm dead. Thank you guys. I'm gonna stay with a 9 out of 10. If you guys have a different opinion of the game, tell me, comment below. I'll be doing more games, maybe even another one of this. Thank you guys so much. I'll do so much more later on. Goodbye.